This is a video guys to learn how to insert 1 to 1000 automatically in dates in Excel for 1 year, 2 year or 3 year or as many days as you require. Just type this formula. Here type date, click here, write the first date where you want to start. Current date, so control semicolon. It will insert the current date. You can change manually. Now here type the 1. Click anyway, again click it, and here series column. Now here step value up to stop value. So like we need 3 years, 4 years, so you need to count the date, multiply with 365. So open the calculator and count the date. Like we want to 365 multiply 5 years, 1825. So here type 1825, then click on OK. If just you need the 1 year, so just type 365 and click on OK. Now here we have this number series. Now in this corner, double click on it. So we have 5 years automatically written dates. If you see hashes, double click on it and click anyway. If you need to change the format, select this column, right click on it and format cell. Select the date and select your required format like this. Thanks for watching.